Weak eyesight treatment. Poor vision. Weak eyesight is the most common problem in today's life. Unfortunately, not only the elders but also the young people are the victims of poor eyesight. Weak eyesight generally refers to the poor ability to see. Herbal treatment for weak eyesight can be proven very helpful. In this video, you will know poor eyesight causes, symptoms, solution. Causes, symptoms of poor eyesight. Reading late in the night, watching TV, reading under dim light, or long working hours on computers can be the leading causes of poor eyesight. The main symptoms are poor color perception, weak eyesight, and deteriorating night vision. Herbal treatment for weak eyesight can solve all these problems. Natural eye supplements to improve vision. People can find herbal treatment for weak eyesight in the form of an I-Lite capsule. I-Lite capsules are composed of herbs that are excellent sources of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The antioxidants start their activity and help in preventing the eyes from free radical damage. In addition, the herbs used to compose this capsule nourish the eye muscles and retina. I-Lite capsule is an effective weak eyesight herbal treatment that helps gain sharper vision and improve eye health to maintain clearer vision for a more extended period in life. It is one of the most popular natural supplements to improve eyesight and enhance the eye's functioning by supplementing necessary vitamins and minerals. Weaknesses and deficiencies in the body due to unhealthy eating habits affect the quality of vision and health of eyes to deteriorate eyesight quite commonly. Weak eyesight herbal treatment to improve eyesight is the best way to regain lost vision clarity and perhaps even better vision than before. Natural supplements to improve eyesight are complete treatments for poor eyesight. These can address all the possible causes and treat every aspect of the problem safely and effectively. These natural supplements eradicate the root cause of the problem. If it cannot be treated completely, help the body stop the progression of the problem further to protect vision. Are there any known side effects? There are no side effects of this herbal pill I-Lite capsule. These products only have good and positive quality. This pill improves and nourishes one's eyesight. Therefore, this pill may be regarded as one of the best natural eye supplements to improve vision. How fast can I expect results? To have effective results, one should continue taking such herbal pills for 3 to 4 months. These capsules help one to overcome eye weakness. How to use I-Lite capsule. These capsules serve most efficiently as a beneficial herbal treatment to improve eyesight. Therefore, a regular dosage of these capsules should be taken. These capsules should be consumed with either milk or fruit juice. One should take these capsules twice or thrice a day. One should take a proper diet side by side. A daily workout is suggested. Conclusion. Eyesight is vital for humans to enjoy the beautiful things around them. When there are some problems with the vision, it should be rightly addressed. I-Lite capsules can help in this regard. World's finest weak eyesight treatment.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy I-Lite capsules from Remedies.in.
The product link is given in the video description.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.